Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Salesforce courses. Hope you're doing fine. And I think we should just dive in and I try to explain it a little bit for sure. And yeah, let's dive into the stuff we have made. So we wanted to make a deployment for this actually. So this is going to be the Arbeitszeiten. And I can tell you I just published this one. So under Git I published this one. So let me see, I can just show you where I published this one, and I hope I did it. It's GitHub. Let me see where I published this. I had published the deployment tool actually. So let me see, I go into the deployment tool like in here, and I think I published it under GitHub. Yeah, I think in here. Maybe this one. Salesforce deployment. That's not this one. It's of course this one. And as you can see here, this is gonna be the link. I will just write it into here, so I'm sure you can have a look on this. You may use this deployment tool as well. I hope you enjoy it because I think it's pretty comfortable to use, and yeah, it's a little quicker, and for sure it's offline, but deployments need to be yeah, surveyed, and it's not really fully possible to make it like automatic, but all in all, for sure it's possible. Yeah. I'm changing the tool once in a while, and I also share it via source tree, and it's automatically pushed to you then. Yeah, you can use it then. So let's go for the change set. Let's go for the ABZ. Okay, and actually that's not the stuff I want to do. I want to get this one. That's the ABZ. Try to this deployment on the 16th of November. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go for the deployment. It's not a tool. That's the deployment itself. And we go to the deployments and have a look on. I hope it's in November, isn't it? Dev of 4. We are not in Dev of 4. We are just no. I think we created this in October. Yes. For Dev Yamu. It's gonna be this one. And let's say is it with the 20? No, it is not, isn't it? Don't want to open it up. Actually with 5.6 at the end. As those folders are unique, I can just go into the deployments and hit the folder, and as they are unique, you'll find it right away for sure. So in here we tried a deployment, and today we will try it again, right? So let's go for like the properties, and then we go for the yeah, for this one. And we go for the folder for sure. We just try to push this folder, and it's going to be in there. We are not downloading it because we already downloaded it, and we just need to make sure that it is working. So we hit save, and let's give it a try. So we tried to push it into the prod deployment, yeah, and so we have low memory. That's not a big deal at this point. Let's say we are going for, what is it called? I think it's Dev Yamu we want to go for. Hit save, and so we want to deploy something from Dev Yamu to the prod, and let's say we just get a we go for the properties for sure. We just go in here. And also we go in here, maybe we need to have a backup for sure. Last time we just tried this one. Okay. Actually there's another one, maybe I just downloaded it by accident. So what we're gonna do is we are taking a backup, and let's go for the SFTX tools. We're taking an unzip at first. The unzip will just create, or should create, a folder in here, but as you can see it didn't work actually. Okay, the unzip is just for the last folder. Yeah, that's and that is gonna be the last folder. The code is working like the last folder, and I have always to change something in here. I think for the future we should do something like it should be choosable which folder we are taking. So what we're gonna do is we are implementing a new folder in here, a new backup, and what kind of data we want to choose. No, I think from the process it's okay. Let's say we are making a backup. It's the date from today, 2020, 11/23. It's the November, and it's a backup several data. Some data is going to be in here. We push this one in there, and this one in there as well. So it made a backup in the other one, but we want not a backup. It unzipped the file, so it should just unzip here. Actually, it is not, to be honest, and I don't know why. Unzip the file, please. I think I need to take out the last dash, so hit save, unpackage again. Didn't work. Okay, let's say we are getting this one, the name of the change set, hit save, and we are retrieving the one. Yeah, just retrieve it once again. We can reconsider that there is some actual data maybe in there, but it's not. No package name. Okay. Actually, we are in dev YAML, isn't it? Let's go for the ABZ. In there, thank you. It's this one, and it should be something like we are in dev YAML. It should be also right. But it's showing that there's no package name called this change set. We go for the outbound change sets. Actually, this one is in here. So this is going to be our change set for sure. And actually this should be the one, right? So let's go again with this source, and also with this. Actually that's the same one. No, I don't know. Let's retrieve the package again. Okay, it's getting the stuff. I just want to get a backup for sure. And that's why I'm just downloading it. The reset is green, so it's fine. And I'm following the process. I'm just unzipping the file. And also I will back up the file. No specified path. What the? Actually, I don't know why it is so. The unpackaged one doesn't work, but it's not a big deal because you can just unpackage the one, so we just deleting this one as we just downloaded it, so we don't need it anymore. But I want to unpackage this one, and then we can take a backup. Several backup, several date. Okay. Backup several data. Why is it several data? Let's go for this one. Actually, there's going to be a backup, but it is not in here. Automatic drive, backup several data, package XML. That's right, it's not there, but it should not be the backup something. Why sad? It should take the last of the. It should take the last one, not the first one. Okay, it's taking the first one. It's not a big deal. We're just renaming this like this. And then we just go for backup. Why is that taking the backup thing? Who? It's taking backup. So I did. Actually, it should not take. There's no backup. Who? It's not in here. That's a little strange. It should work out actually. But as you can see, it's taking the backup several data something. And so it's not working out. So let's say we are just saving this. Let's say we are just closing the program and we reopen it. And it will just open up for sure. And it's taking some time to open up everything. Yeah. I already opened it up, but I need to wait for all the stuff. I just changed a little bit in the program, and for this you just need to wait a little bit as well. What we can do, just let's give it a try on the other hand for this one. Let's just upload this one. So as long as it's not available in here, we should just upload this one. No. Or we just go into the code for sure, and we just look for the backup something. So we can back up the stuff, and maybe we just need another location for this. So let's go to the console. Yeah, CMD. Let's go back to this, and then we just need to reconsider it. We go to look for something. Find. We are finding the backup stuff, right? So we need to back up. No, for sure backup. Yeah, something like backup. Start SFTX web login UTS backup. Retrieve something. Okay, that's okay. Not this. Right, it's in here. So we're gonna go like the backup. We are just using the time while the program is opening. Now it's a void, I think. It's a void. We are backing up the stuff for sure. Build path. Let's go for this. It didn't load it yet. So we go for it again. Didn't it load it? No. It takes a little bit time. let's go for the backup, and then we have sfdx something, right? Retrieve for sure. We need to retrieve the stuff. Yeah, we need to retrieve this one. And we can just retrieve this one. We just need the target name. It's gonna be out of the prod, right? Then we need to go into the package. Oh, it opened up. Great. And that's why I just made a program for this. But it's not working actually. It's going for the backup servable data and so on. And so I shouldn't do anything manual in here. Why is that actually? Why is that? Okay. I think I know. I'm going in. I need to do the 5.6. Yeah, I need the 5.6 stuff. And actually I don't know. What is actually it should let's go for the retrieve file. We are retrieving something. Retrieving is working. But the unzip is not working neither. So then we need to figure out why it's not working. Let's go for the unzip one. But it's not unzipping actually. Why is it not unzipping? Okay, we need to retrieve the stuff. Let's go for the retrieve. We go for the target name. We want to get something out of the build file path. So this is gonna creating a new path and package path. And we need a package path. We need also the package path. Okay, I know where the package is, so we just go for this one. I think it's going quicker. We need the stuff where it is actually written, so let's go for this one. Let's go for this one. This is gonna be the package path for sure. And so we just need to write it down. It's a package path. Now I think it's better to make the program because it's more comfortable, right? That's why we just need to make the program, right? Go for the backup. It's backupping the stuff. Target name and file number. Okay, I think we just backing up or trying to back up something. Build file path, package name, it's gonna be there. And let's go for the package name, okay? And let's say system.debug, not debug, system.out.println. And we are just putting the package path for sure. It's going to be the package path. Okay, we create it again. We just go for this one. This is what we're gonna do. We just putting it into here. No, we just want to have the unzip, right? taking so much time? It's interesting. At first we want to make sure that the unzip stuff is running, so we don't want to get the backups thing. But the unzip is not that important, so we need to get the backup. It's okay. Okay, let's go for the backup. Let's give it a try. Not this one. We are just getting this one. Okay, it's already in here. And we try to figure it out. We just try to back up, right? From here. Let's say the unzip is it's more convenient. It's the same, so let's go for the unzip stuff. But it's not working out. It's good to know. So what we need to do is we need to go into the code for sure, and we need to get out the void unzip, right? Unzip. Okay. It's unzipping something, and so we need to figure out why it is not working. So in here we try to unzip the stuff, create and execute packages. So let's go for the zip path, and I think that is the most important thing we need to know. System.out.println and let's go for the zip path, and let's go for this one. So let's go for the zip path. This one. Let's just unzip the stuff. And let's go for the zip path. It's Google Drive. Actually, it's taking the wrong file. Okay. It's taking the wrong file, but what we need to do is we just need to put in another one, right? We just need to put in the file that I'm saying. Yeah, just let's say we need to put in a file that I'm saying. Yeah, just let's say string unzip folder name, and we go for the zip name, right? That's the zip name. That's okay. We are just putting or taking back the last one. So we're just taking back the last file in here. So let's say we are cutting it out, right? We're just cutting it out. Let's take the last, or maybe let's go for a list of string. Then zip split list is the same as zip path dot split relating to this one. So we are splitting it, right? We just, or at least we try to split this. No, can we just? I don't think so. I just cannot make it bigger, so I need to make another. solution for this. Let's go for the, not this one, this one. For this one, I will just make it like this. Yeah. Zip split list splits and why is not working? Copy to top string. Okay. String copy to list of string. Okay, my bad. It's not a list. Okay, I can just string. That's gonna be the list. Okay. Where I'm gonna be there. And I will say take the last one, no, not the last one, the last one before, take it out, and then yeah, I will just take the string, the old folder name, it's gonna be zip split list. And I'm getting this split list like the length -2. That's gonna be -1 is this one, -2 is this one. So we're gonna getting it out, and then we just say the zip path is the same as substitute, right? Just not now. Replace. Replace first. Replace. Actually, it doesn't need to be the first. I think actually it should be the last one. String replace all. Not really. Replace not the. I think we should go for the last one. And what we're gonna do is we just from the right hand side, right? Let's go for the last index of. Okay. Let's go for integer last index actual or no old folder. It's gonna be the zip path dot last index of the old folder name, right? Last index of the old folder name. Let's go for this one. Splitting, getting the stuff, get the last index of this, and we need to take it out for sure. And let's say the zip paths, we need to split this a little bit. No, let's go for, yeah, we are splitting it for sure into pieces. Not really, not in 2 pieces, no. That's why I'm getting the last index of old folder. It will do something like the zip path is the same as the zip path actual dot substring beginning and end index. Beginning is 0. And end index will be the last index old folder. That's going to be the last one. And also it's gonna go for must be in the same line for sure. It goes for the index folder, and it's going to the last index of. No, it's going for zip path. Dot not length, isn't it? Oh, we are going for the length. I think that's the end index -1. And let's say we are just system dot out dot print line. We are printing out the resulting path. Result path. Result path. 0 and so on, and also we need to get the unzip folder name, right? So this is going to be the unzip folder name, and then we need to put it into this. Okay. What we need to do also, we need to go to the design, and if it's null, then if it's not null, yeah, but it will only do it if it's not null. If it's null, if it's not doing it. So if this is one is not the same as empty, well, it's something like empty. It's not empty. Then it is going like what I said before, right? This one. That's the result path. And to make it work, actually, yeah, we just overload the method for sure. Unzip, text source, retrieve package, zip name, and null. Yeah, and so it's going to be working again, but the code won't work. So what we're going to do is we just implement a new backup stuff. Yeah. Let's say we are putting a field in here. If we want to, we can put another stuff in here. It's just txt backup unzip fields. Txt backup unzip. Okay. And let's say we're putting a label in here. Folder for up unzip backup. It's going to be the folder. Let's go for save it again. Let's hit it back, and let's say We go for unzip package, folder for unzip package, and also we can go and put it into the unzip stuff. Let's go for the void unzip, and let's say we are just doing this at first, just to get the errors. Yes, it can be used. Okay, I just need to go for the unzip stuff. Unzip there. Okay, unzip. No. This one. Thank you. Let's go for this one. Let's go for the field variable field. Didn't I? Actually, no. txt unzip backup folder name. Let's go for this one. txt unzip folder name. Interesting. Dot get text. Right, and then I have to go to the unzip stuff. Let's go for this one. Let's also go for get text. And let's go for this one. That's great. So we don't need to overload it again. It needs to be not the same as now, and also the unzip folder name ends. No, not end. We just need to make sure that the folder is existing. So it's gonna be the new folder path. It's null. It's gonna be this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this one. New folder path. If new file with new folder path dot exists, then we are putting over the zip file and not before. Okay, let's go for it. Let's give it a try. Let's go for the data for sure. Let's go for the right stuff. Okay, it worked. So let's get the unzips. There's a pattern error. Okay, there's gonna be a pattern error. But actually maybe it's something like this. Waiting to this, but it cannot split the stuff, as you can see. Actually I want to split it like this. Okay, I get another. I got it. I got another split stuff. I can also split it like this, right? But then I need to make the algorithm a little bit different. I will make sure this is working at least. So what I'm gonna do is I will put this one up there. It's gonna be this one. So actually that won't work. No, that won't work. My bad. That's not possible. Let's do it like this. Give it another try. And it seems it doesn't take too much time, but I will take the stuff anyway. Yeah, it's taking the stuff. Let's unzip the one. Now it's unzipping it and it's working, I hope. No, it didn't work yet, but we can there's a result path. Yeah, because it's gonna be now and it's not existing, it's remaining the same. But actually I will just print out that's a result path. Let's say the result path is in here and the zip path is gonna be in here. It's a little bit different. Yeah, we're going for the new folder path anyway, so it's gonna be the new folder path, not the result path. And we go for it again. Taking a little bit time, and as you have seen, it doesn't take too much time to appear. Yeah. That's great, and I try to unzip again. The zip path and the new folder path. Okay, zip path and new folder path will be the same. Unpackage.zip, okay. Okay. ZEP, IP, okay. Last index, it's okay. I think last index is fine. Servable data. But if we are going from last index to the zip file, it's gonna taking too much, and so I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Okay, let's go for this one. So what we need to do as well, we need to save it as well. What we're gonna do is we just need to go for the options, right? We need to change the this one, this one, this one, this one. We need to make sure that the options are saved and loaded. So let's go for the options. What is it called? It's a unzip backup folder. Yeah, we just go for this. Okay, my bad. Unzip backup folder. We are just going for it in the options. It's gonna coming in here. Then we need to put it in here. Public string. This one, and then we need to make sure that we are just saving the stuff and also loading the stuff, right? Options, we have the get property, the get integer, the set property, blah 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 blah. Load options. Yeah, we are loading the options. Okay. We are getting the property by this one. we are looking for it anyway, but makes it a little bit quicker if we are looking for it. We are getting the property for sure. Let's go for this one. We have tested this one. We just need to set a property as well. Also the test level is gonna, we are getting the test level, we are setting the test level, and also what we need to do is the test level. Okay, we go into the code and then we have the test level. Oops. No, we have the test level now. Previous create deploy okay, doesn't matter. Let's go for the test level. That's another test level, I guess. So we need to maybe the retrieve folder name in here. Deploy thread, right. That's a deploy thread, it's not what I want. Create deployment files, no. I want to set the text for sure. And then we want to set the text, right? Not the retrieve folder name, but the unzip stuff in here. We need to set the variable name. It's gonna be this dot ops dot this one. Okay. And then we need to go for the get text for sure. Dot get text. And what we need to do is to put the update in there. It's similar to this. So we go for, not for this one, we just go for the unzip stuff. And we are getting the right name from here. And we are linking the right stuff to each other. And I think we did it. We have the unzip in there. So we got the right one in there. But actually, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So what we need to do is, we want to have this folder as unpackaged folder. At first I need to make sure that it is working out, but I need to wait for the stuff for sure, as it didn't load yet. So what I need to make sure is it is only saving some stuff if the program is already loaded, right? The program is not loaded yet, so it needs to be skipped. So what I'm gonna do is public static boolean to save. It's gonna be false. Okay. Or if it says, or skip save, I would say. Skip save is gonna be true. We go for the save options, right? go for the save stuff. No. Save options. It's gonna be saved in here, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be saved, so we just skip the options. If this is gonna be true, then we just return the stuff, and that's fine. But we need to go for the start frame for sure. Actually, this is gonna be the stuff. If start.skip save. Why is that? Public static boolean skip save is the same as true. Public static boolean skip save. Yeah. Why is that? Okay. Save options. If it's true, then skip save. And only if everything has been loaded, it will run deployment thread. No. This thread, and only if it has been loaded. So the first frame, let's go for the first frame. It's like the void init. It's gonna go like this. Only if everything has been loaded. Did init, okay. Start frame skip save is false. So I'm not trying it out, but it's a safety for next time. What I'm gonna do is try to unzip it again, and okay, great. It's not an unzip. Let's go for the folder. Actually, we go for this folder. So it's gonna be in this folder, but it's gonna be like in there. Hit save, close the stuff, open it again. It takes a little bit time, but I guess it's fine. That's okay, it opened up. As you can see here, it didn't work. Maybe it's not possible to save the options again. 1, 2, 3. Hit save. But actually it seems to be finished. Take some time again. That's fine. Project data. Actually, it's working out. Okay, all in all, it's working out. So what we're gonna do is we just get this back again, and then we just need to folder for unzip and back up. Okay. Hit save. Actually, this should be saved. The options. Okay. The options. We need to take over the options. Let's say we are going for the test level in here. It's going to be the test level, also the get property out of this. Okay. Oh, okay. Set the not the test level, but the unzip folder name for sure. So the test level, basic functions, deployment. It's gonna go for no test one. It's okay. Go for this. Do it again. Taking some time. But all in all, it's fine. Yeah, it's gonna be fine, and so it's not being here yet. That's the wrong name for sure. And we just go for rename it. Hit save. Go out. Go in. Wait a little bit. And then we get it. Yeah, we got the right stuff. Then let's say we just unzip the stuff. It was not unzipping. It was not unzipping. Okay. But we go for the zip path for sure. Oh. So it's taking the one, okay. 3 at the end. It's gonna be this one. That's fine. Excuse me. But we go for unzip again. It's gonna be the void unzip. It's doing the stuff, but it's not working anyway, so we have the new folder. But we need to take out the old one for sure. Kind of taking the last index. And we are adding some stuff. We are adding the length of the old folder name. We just need to begin from the length of the old folder name. Hit save. Is it right? The old folder name and the unzip folder name? Correct. The old folder name, I don't want to have the old folder name, and that's why I'm just skipping this one. I'm skipping the length, and then it should be fine. I go for it again. I just need to wait a little bit as the data will come later on because of the thread, and that's fine. So now I have everything. I have the backup folder, and so we can just hit unzip. but it's not unzipping yet because of the zip path, the new folder path. Actually, we have the right one in here. The September. Okay, that's going to be the September, and then we have got the number, and also it should be working. Actually, we don't have it in here. Now, what we need to do is we need to get it for this one. The create file. It's not okay. Why is that? We have the zip path. We have the string from the new from the zip path. Okay. Actually, we have the right zip path. 933. Okay. We have the build file path. Why is the build file path? Okay. Okay, we have to create and execute packages. Okay. But we didn't put the right. Why have we created a zip path actually? And the zip name. Okay. Actually, we need a zip path in there, isn't it? Retrieve package. Let's go for the I think the comment is the right thing. The command is this one. Start jar xf zip path. Actually, that's right. Unzip, please. What the heck? This one, and there should be a... Why is that not working? Actually, okay, I will take a break for today, and we'll see you next time. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.